What is it with my boss? I can always tell when he doesn't shower. You can smell it as soon as you walk in the office. The sweet smell of manly fragrance. Eau de toilette hits you like a ton of bricks falling out of a 10-storey window. You say to yourself, he probably got up late and did the under the arms thing. But you know, the real truth is that he is just a lazy loser who didn't bother to take a shower. So you pretend not to notice and get through your day. I can say this now, women are cleaner than men. I know men have this whole hunter-gatherer excuse, but let's face it, when was the last time one of you guys ever had to hunt and gather anything? You just leave it all to us. We have to clean the house, clean the office and go to the store, and we do the hunting and gathering to bring home food to cook for you. But no, that will never be, because you think to do any of that is just woman's work. And that's the way it is, and that's the way it will always be. But can you do me a favour? Can you try taking a shower once in a while?